Crank it up, buddy.
Yeah.
Luke's got one on and Eric's got one on.
Good job, guys.
Luke, what do you got?
Another fish!
You gonna be able to get him in, boss?
I think so!
Eric, what do you got?
Got me a fish, dude. Nice one. I don't think it's Luke's size, but it's a nice fish.
Keep the tip up. Back up the hill just a little bit, Luke.
Here you have
Back.
fish.
Back up.
You coming on shore.
Walk up the hill. Walk up the hill, bro.
I got 3 fish in a row!
That's a nice fish, too. See what I'm talking about? They're all nice.
Wow, me and Daddy caught the same amount.
This guy swallowed it.
Yeah, it's a drawback of my new hooking technique. On that, it seems to work pretty well.